Just a quick update on the city garden, what's growing. We've got some chard. I've had a few pickings off this, so it's doing quite well. There's a rogue strawberry here that's coming up. Got some onions. As we move along, nothing here yet, but we'll plan to put something, probably herbs. And here, wallflower. They smell normally nice. That's a heuchera, and that's lavender. Slowly moving around. Camellia, doing quite nicely. Flowered. Potatoes, you'll see here, they've come up. You'll see the chard is coming on again because it's still a bit cool. Overall here is nothing. Normally once this is done we'll put probably zucchini here. There's a bit of a kale sneaking out there. That's lavender. Roses is taking off here. Normally peas will go in the back here and go up there. Max. And roses, climbing roses, are doing quite nicely. Just keep an eye on them. If you got them little green flies, use a mix of washing up liquid and water and just spray it. So another rose here, a red one, looks like it's about to flower. So if you have a smaller garden, you can basically have that kind of setup in like maybe a, what is that, 4-5 foot by about 12 foot if it's a short garden. But if you have a bigger garden, then you can widen your scope like we've done here. You may have seen the previous updates. Here we've got space yet for the new plantations. I'm going to water some of the seeds that I've put down. So you'll see that. So hydrangea here in the pot, that was a cutting off the main plant which we put in a pot. Here at the moment nothing really growing here, but you'll see the scattered seeds are coming for chard. I scattered some chard here, so let that grow. Do a quick tour here and look at these. I think we might take cuttings from these. See, it's like really big chard. Look at that. Look at that. That's like mahusif. 1, 2. You don't want to leave them for too long because the snails will start getting them. 3, like as in too long gone. That's a nice size there. Any bigger than that and then you won't know what to do with it. Just take the big ones. Maybe here as well. So that's like another picking there. Every time I come, every couple of, not every couple, but every 6 days, 7 days, I'll get like a fresh set of. Let's move that out of the way for now. Oh look, see, can you see the slug there? These almost look like rhubarbs, how big they've got. Just don't let them go to seed. You should be okay. You can take some kale if you want. Just so we've got like a nice mix of salads. So you see there's like quite a lot of pickings there. And the kale's gone to seed here, so we'll leave that for the bees. And the plum tree. In the rain I couldn't show you properly, but look at the apples. These are apples. Apples. Apple in a pot. It's like a mini small apple tree. And then you've got the plums. That's a quick outdoor update. I'll do a quick indoor watering of the stuff that's grown. Let me just pick these up because I forget these. So let's see if I can grab these with one hand. Kind of. So indoors you can see potatoes are coming here. Potatoes coming there. I put potatoes in this. You can see they're also coming. These little. And right now the broad beans seem to be quite dry, so I'm going to give them a water. You'll see Climbing beans have come up there. Broad beans have come up there. That's a fig. A few more. So what I'll do now is I'll take you to a quick watering of these. Just a little bit, nothing too much, just to keep them going. Because I feel like these will be here a little while longer. I could plant them out today, but maybe I will. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So that's a quick little update for you now. I'll just give you a quick view of the garden from the regular spot. You can see how things are growing and use it as a bit of a gauge and diary for how things are growing in your garden. So you can see here from the regular spot, this is how the garden is looking at the moment. Max is on a little sneaky. See you on the next one. Come on then, let's do the thumbnail.